Hi, James. Let's go to school.
Wow, this is so cool. These two kittens are best friends and always go to school together.
Hey, go to class. Bye-bye, James. I draw so well.
Wow, in this class, James is really into chemistry and is about to do his own chemistry experiment.
Oh no, it's on fire.
Oh my god, James has set fire to the chemistry lab and is hiding in the corner of the table in fear.
Oh no, that's James' classroom. James.
The fire grew bigger and bigger, causing James to faint from the smoke. Luckily, the rescuers bravely overcame the fire to rescue James.
James, wake up.
The kind doctors quickly gave first aid to poor James. Will he make it?
James, keep it up. Doctor, are you telling?
Wow, it's great that James is finally awake.